Welcome everyone. Today I'll guide you through adding a dynamic text shake effect to your video using DaVinci Resolve 18. Let's jump right in. Firstly, make sure you have your desired clip already in the timeline. Head over to the Effects control panel, click on Titles, and then Text. Simply drag the text onto your clip, adjusting its length to match the clip's duration. Now, with the text in the timeline, right-click on it, go to New Compound Clip, and you can name it if you wish. For now, I'll leave it as is and click Create. Now that we have our compound clip, head to Open Effects. Scroll down until you find Camera Shake. Drag and drop it onto your title, and you'll instantly notice a shake effect applied. But we're aiming for a more professional touch. Navigate to the top right corner of the inspector, ensuring you're in the Effects tab under Open Effects. Here, you can fine-tune the motion scale, speed scale, and motion blur. Adjust the motion scale to your liking. Increase the speed scale for a faster shake and find the right balance for motion blur. Play around with these settings until you achieve the desired shake effect. For an extra touch, experiment with the PTR speed to vary the intensity of the shake. Let's preview the result. Perfect. Feel free to explore other settings based on your preferences. DaVinci Resolve offers a variety of options to customize the shake to your liking. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to add a text shake effect to your video in DaVinci Resolve 18. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy editing.